Hello everyone, welcome to our another video on Elite Expertise. Elite Expertise is a platform that helps the overseas pharmacists to clear their licensing examinations and migrate to Australia, US, UK, Canada. So currently we are helping the overseas pharmacists to clear their Australian licensing examination, that is the KAPS exam, so which is the first part of the licensing exam. So if they clear the KAPS exam, then they can start doing the internship and they can get their full license here and practice as a pharmacist in Australia. So we got our KAPS exam July 2023 result with a huge success of around 90%. And today I have Amit with me. So Amit is one of our students at Elite Expertise. So Amit has cleared his KAPS examination in his first attempt. So let's know more about Amit, like what strategies that Amit has followed in clearing his exam. So welcome Amit, and first of all, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Amit, may I know a few things about yourself, like where you have studied and so on?
Yes, sir. I did my bachelor's in pharmacy from Rajasthan, India, and after that I came here.
So right now
Um,
you are in
so-
Australia.
yeah,
Okay.
yes, sir. I'm in Australia now, and I came here in 2019, and I did my pharmacy in 2017.
So you finished your pharmacy in 2017 in
Yes, sir.
Rajasthan,
Almost
and
five,
then
6 years ago.
6 years. Okay. And then you moved to Australia.
Yes,
And
sir.
currently, may I know what you are you on student visa or are you working here in Australia, Amit?
Uh, I, I'm working here at Chemist Warehouse store in Brisbane.
Okay.
So yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So you are working as a pharmacy technician at Chemist.
Technician. Yes,
Yeah.
technician.
Okay, okay, yeah, very good. So that's nice to know. And I mean, why did you select to do this CAPS pathway?
Basically, sir, I was doing something else here, and for this visa, and for mainly, I can say that it's for visa and immigration purpose. I start working in pharmacy because I
Okay, yeah,
have a
yeah.
degree of pharmacy. So after doing work over there, I want to do something else, like something related to my field. So I choose
Exactly.
CAPS, and
And
that's the
wanted
main
to,
reason.
yeah, become a pharmacist.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, yeah. That's a like it's a nice pathway. Like as you already working in chemist warehouse, and you
Yes,
know, as you are working as a pharmacy technician, and every day you
yes,
might be seeing that like how many customers that they come, like how many patients they come and they want to see the pharmacist to get the advice from the pharmacist. So it's
yes,
a
sir.
sort
Over
of
there.
like yeah, it's a sort of like satisfaction that we get when once we provide them the advice and the counseling and so on.
Yes, sir.
And Amit, how did you come to know about Elite Expertise?
So basically, sir, one of my friend cleared this CAPS exam.
Okay,
Um, who was who was uh, that person suggested me, like my friend suggested me.
okay,
So I take coaching for you. He suggested me all the ways, the way
yeah.
of preparation and all.
Okay.
So that's why I choose Elite Expertise.
Okay, then. Okay, thank you. And Amit, like, may I know, as you were working full time at the same time, and you have prepared for the CAPS examination, how did you manage your time? Like every day, how many hours you used to spend on your
Basically, sir,
preparation?
for the initial time, I used to take classes and do a revision just one time. But
Okay,
before one month of exam, so I start preparing like each and every day for 7 8 hours, including classes and all.
okay,
Yeah. So before 1 month, I just stop working in like I stopped working and
okay,
just did I did focus on only on caps.
okay. Yeah, that's good.
So it
And
was a little
finally,
bit
finally,
hard
you are
because
successful.
it's hard to it's hard to manage work and study here, but
Yeah,
still
exactly. Yeah,
it's not bad. Yeah.
yeah, exactly. Yeah. And I mean, like, as you know, that in July examination, the paper was completely different, and all the questions were concept-based questions. So, may I know how did you tackle those questions, and how Elite Expertise has helped you in learning all the concepts and so on?
So as you know that, sir, you always told us just watch the lecture again and again. So my concept was clear. So I know each and everything like related to topics. So, and the best thing you told us about the elimination method, that was
Yeah,
really
yeah.
helpful. So may I got a lot of like many questions out of syllabus and all, but the elimination method really helps me in that.
Yeah,
And our mock test was really good. And
yeah.
I can say our syllabus and our notes was very really brilliant.
Okay. Yeah.
In paper two, I got like almost question like I was familiar with them,
With them. Okay.
so it
Yeah.
was
Sure. Okay. I mean, like the main thing is that if you guys know the concept well, then easily you can eliminate the other options, and then you can
yes,
reach
sir.
the
That's the
final.
best technique, I think so. Elimination is the best thing.
Yeah. So thanks, Amit. And any message to future CAPS aspirants?
So if anyone is with us like a light expertise, so there is nothing to worry about. Definitely, they will
Thank you.
clear in one attempt.
Thanks, Amit. Thank you so much.
Yes, sir.
And thanks for your time. And
No
once
worries.
again, congratulations, Amit.
Thank you so much, sir.
So
All happened just because of
we are
you,
looking
and
forward to see
so
you as a as a pharmacist.
yes, sir, sure.
So soon, you when you become a pharmacist, and then hopefully you might be working with us as well,
Yes, sir,
one
sure.
of the hospitals.
Sure, sir.
Okay, Amit. Okay, it was nice talking to you. Okay.
Thank you,
Thank you
sir.
so
Thank
much,
you.
Amit.
All good. Thank you, sir.